Ha lenni kis barna, nagy barna, de van kettő, sajnálom.
Szabi!
Semmi baj?
Mindig
nem baj? Hát igen. De valamikor remélem nem. Meg 2 év. Ott van a pizza barna, jó? Akkor vidd meg egy...
Nem?
Mondtál?
Sonkásság, salami.
Tudja már be.
Salami cheese.
Van is a Cola Light, ha kérsz.
Van meg whisky.
You please wash that chair.
Nagyon jó. Thank you. Barna.
Sam, another piece of pizza? What do you want? Cheese, ham, salami?
Laci.
Salami, okay.
Laci, kiülsz? Kiülsz.
Lassi, pizza?
Igen. Én kiülök.
És nem csak egy szelet, fiúk.
Yeah,
You hear me, Sammy?
we have 6 pizzas, guys.
That's alright. You know what? If they don't eat it now, hon, we can always heat it up.
Sebi! Sebi! Where's
Get it, Sebby.
Sebi?
How old are you today? Oh, it's not really your birthday. Oh, these guys. So this is the original group from Riley's kindergarten from when he was 5 and he started at the French school. All these kids right here, with the exception of one, were in his group. And I can remember them all and they were like, "Mi történt? Who cares? Just get another piece. Give it to me." Oh, az gusztustalan.
Kólás műzik.
Yeah. You're crazy.
Mind a kettőt.
Jó, hogy vagyok.
Fordíts mekkora barna.
Hey Bill, bring the pizzas out here because they'll never come back in and get
De
another
miért
one.
nem játsztogatok fel? Én úgy érzem, hogy B-re. A velőm, Patrikkal és Sofival.